What up, guys, and welcome back to another video. Today I'm gonna be unboxing the Sony SRS-XB01 extra bass Bluetooth speaker, and I got this at Best Buy for $30. And here's how the package looks like. Here's how the back looks like. It has the IPS water resistant speakerphone, up to 6 hours of battery life, and micro USB charging. So yeah, guys, basically. So let's open it up and see what comes inside the box. Oh, there we go. That was not that bad. So we'll leave that there. Put that right there on the side. So first we get a micro USB cable for charging. We also get a little strap. Sorry about that, guys. But anyway, it comes with the little stand. I mean, with the little how you call it? A little string you could attach to it. And we also get a manual, warranty stuff, and the little starter paperwork. So let's try to put this thing in first. I forgot how this thing's called. It's called hand wrist thing. Hand wrist? I don't know. Ring string, hand wrist string. Where does this go? Okay, so it goes right here. Okay. I think it goes right there. I'm not too sure. But anyway, yeah, I'm not gonna put it on right now. And then you get the Bluetooth speaker itself, which is, it has some weight to it actually, and it says Sony right here. And up here you get your volume up and volume down controls. You also get your power button, and you get a play and pause and answer call button right here. And it comes with two little grips right here, rubber grips, which is good so it doesn't slide off. And here, oh, what the hell was that? Oh. And right here, it comes with the aux cord, a reset button. I mean the aux auxiliary port, the reset button, and micro USB to charge it. Man, that's pretty good. I didn't think it was gonna have an auxiliary port. But anyway, let's turn it on and connect it and test it out and see how it sounds. So give me a second, guys, real quick. Well, there, the speaker is paired with my phone, so let's test out the audio. By the way, I have it charging. You can see a little orange indicator, and here's the Bluetooth connection, blue indicator. And I have it charging right now because apparently it didn't came with battery. I mean, it came with a little bit, but it was low on battery, so I'm charging it while we're testing it out. So let me look for the same music here. Well, actually, let me just go to my channel and play some music from there, so you guys could get an idea of how this speaker sounds. Alright, let me see. Give me a second here. Oh, there we go. This is at max volume, by the way, and wow, it's pretty loud. Perfect, perfect, perfect. Another song.
Perfect. Perfect. Perfect.
Another song. Wow, well there you guys have it. What can I say? I'm pretty impressed with the sound of the speaker. The bass is deep and it's loud. The bass is coming out like if it was from a bigger speaker. It's just incredible how the bass is, you know, it's so punchy. Feels like it's coming out from a bigger speaker. The mids are nice and clear. The highs are clear. Everything sounds good. I know it's just one speaker, but like when the music is playing, it sounds like it has separation of, you get instrument separation. I know it's kind of weird, but how to describe that, but like I feel like, you know, the guitar is playing over here, the drums on this side, and then the other instrument. It's not like one time thing, you know, like everything's playing at at once, like in one line. It's like playing in different ways. I don't know how to explain it, you guys. But anyway, if you guys see this speaker and you guys want to pick it up for $30, sometimes I seen them on special at Best Buy. So if you guys want to have a good speaker, a decent little speaker to carry around, you know, that sounds good and has punchy bass, I recommend this Sony XB01 to anybody that's looking for a little speaker to carry. But anyway guys, hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. If you guys did, please give it a like, and like always, don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you guys on the next video. So peace out.